Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a table of contents to your Notion page. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, clickable overview for your notes, projects, or any kind of document in Notion, making navigation super easy for you and anyone you're sharing your workspace with. If you've ever felt lost in a sea of information on Notion, this little feature is going to change the way you organize everything. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a group of text or sections on your Notion page. Maybe it's a lengthy research project with multiple headings, a meeting agenda, or simply notes that have grown a little out of control. What we want is a neat summary box at the top, a table of contents, so you and your collaborators can jump straight to the information you need without endless scrolling. To get started, head to the very top of your Notion page. This is usually just above your first heading or section. Take a moment and think about what you want captured in your table of contents. Notion builds the links based on your headings, so if you're using headings like H1, H2, or H3, Notion will find them. If your page isn't using at least some header formatting yet, you might want to pause and add those first. Since regular text won't show up in your table of contents, this is a great chance to quickly glance through your sections and make sure each main topic starts with a heading. Just type A, and select Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 from the Notion menu. Now, for the simple magic, click into the top of your page where you want the table of contents to appear. Type a / just like this, a table of contents. You'll see Notion's menu pop up, searching as you type. As soon as table of contents appears, either click on it or press Enter. Instantly, you'll see a little box generated, including each heading from your page in order. Each item in this box is a clickable link directly to that section. Take a second to look at your new table of contents. It might seem basic, but it's incredibly powerful. Anytime you or someone else opens the page, they can jump to the exact section they need, saving tons of time hunting for information. It's a bit like adding signposts to a long trail. You know exactly where the important points are. Now, if you add or change your headings later, Notion will automatically update your table of contents to include new ones or rearrange things. Super convenient. Don't worry if at first you don't see all your sections listed. Double-check that you used heading formatting, not just bold or regular text. And remember, this feature is available on both desktop and mobile versions of Notion, although on mobile, it might look slightly different. That's basically it. Just a / command and instant organization. But a table of contents can transform your page from messy to masterful, whether you're managing a knowledge base, prepping a class syllabus, or sharing a project plan with teammates. It's all about clearer communication and faster workflow. Hope this was really helpful. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe so you catch all my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.